Hello dear students of Saraswati English Academy भाद्रजून ऑनलाइन क्लासेज एंड ऑनलाइन क्लास के अंदर जो हमारा टॉपिक दिस टाइम रनिंग्स दैट्स वी से दैट सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रीडिकेट आल्सो नाउ वी डिस्कस व्हाट्स द सब्जेक्ट एंड व्हाट्स द प्रीडिकेट ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस व्हाट्स द definition of sentence so you start to write this definition. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. We say that sentence, and in sentence verb has compulsory, and each and every sentence start with a capitals letter also, and it has a subject and predicate also. If a simple sentence, when we use full stop, and if the sentence is interrogative, when we use question mark. Positive, which means sakaratmak, which you not find a not, that sentence is positive. If you find not, that you say that negative. And if you saying something about the any questions, when we say that interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentence also a question mark. Okay, and you also know that every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. First part is the subject, and after the subject you find a second part, that part is predicate. Okay, look there students, babies cry. The words baby is a subject and cry is a predicate. The lights subject are on predicate. The Indian team won the match. To the Indian team subject and won the match predicate. My father's best friend. To my father best friend subject and gave him a present is a predicate. You go there. You is subject and go there is predicate. You have two capsules daily. You is subject and have two capsules daily is a predicate. Okay, and mother told an interesting story. So mother is subject and told an interesting story is a predicate. Okay dear students, now we start the second. After this videos we have to start something new topics. Now we discuss verb. What is verb? Verb. Okay, you want to say that verb. A verb is an essential part of a sentence. Verb is a essential part of a sentence and each part of the predicate. And each a part of the predicate. Verb. A sentence you find verb. A sentence you find verb, and the part of verb we say that predicate of sentence. The part of verb we say that predicate of verb. Okay, okay dear students, now we find subject and predicate. Suj subject and predicate. Okay, dear students, tell me, Mahi's batting was flawless in the final match. Yeah, you say to me, you have you have many pens. You have many pens. Okay. I go to school and how are you? Yeah, he is reading. Which sentence is I am teaching. Okay, dear students, tell me which part is subject and which part is predicate. Who is subject in this sentence? Make circle. You. You is a subject. Okay. And have many pens? Have many pens? Predicate. I go to school. In this sentence, who is subject? I. And go to school? Predicate. Okay. He is reading. He is reading. He is he is subject and is reading, and here is reading. Predicate. Okay. I am teaching. I letter is a subject and am teaching. Predicate. Okay. Which verb? Have, go, each, am, all are verbs. Helping verbs, and second is main verb. Okay. And these are subject. You, I, he, I. You is subject, I is subject, he is subject. And second part of sentence we called predicate. Okay. Start to write, dear students, in the single lines notebook and learn all sentence also. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press the like button, and your writing neat and clean. Okay. Don't waste their time. Use the time, watch the video and complete the work. Stay in home, live happy and live healthy.